Sleep, the fat loss tool you are probably sabotaging. Did you know you can burn fat while you sleep? Yes, I'm not kidding. But there's a catch. Your body can also do the exact opposite while you sleep and hold on to that fat instead. Same 8 hours, two completely different outcomes. It depends on what's happening with your hormones overnight and what you ate before bed. And in today's episode of NutriDigest, we will find out more about it. The hormones doing the work while you sleep. Three hormones decide how this plays out: growth hormone, cortisol, and insulin. Growth hormone peaks during deep sleep, and one of its main job is mobilizing stored fat for energy. This is real, measurable fat burning happening while you are completely unconscious. Cortisol is supposed to drop at night. When it stays high because of the stress or because of what you ate, it pushes your body to hold on into fat instead of releasing it, especially around your midsection. And insulin needs to stay low and stable overnight for growth hormone to do its job properly. The two work against each other. If insulin is spiking through the night, the growth hormone gets blunted. So the real question is, what is spiking your insulin and keeping your cortisol high at 2 a.m.? Always, it tracks back to what you ate before bed. The dinner mistakes working against you. A heavy late dinner is the biggest one. Digesting a large meal keeps your body working and your core temperature up. Both blocks the deep sleep phase where fat burning actually happens. A high sugar or a high refined carb dinner is the second. White rice, dessert, a sweetened drink. This spikes insulin right when it needs to be dropping. Your body switches from burning fat to storing it. Alcohol before bed feels relaxing, but it disrupts the deep sleep stage later in the night, exactly when growth hormone should be peaking and fat should be getting mobilized. And caffeine late in the day keeps cortisol elevated long after you think it has worn off, working directly against the drop your body needs at night. And it's not just fat, it's your skin too. The same growth hormone burning fat at night is also responsible for tissue repair and collagen production. Your skin biggest repair window every single day is not a serum, it is deep sleep. Dr. Dipti will be talking about what disrupted sleep does to your skin in this week's episode of Down to Details. So make sure you watch that episode this Saturday. What to actually eat for better overnight fat burning. Finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed and keep it lighter than your other meals. And the same thing again, build your dinner around proteins and vegetables with a smaller portion of carbs than lunch. This keeps insulin stable throughout the night instead of spiking it. Skip the dessert at dinner. Save it for earlier in the day if you really want it. Cut caffeine off by early afternoon and give alcohol a few hours of buffer before bed if you are having any. If you consistently wake up around the same time every night, this is often your blood sugar crashing, not random insomnia. It is worth paying attention to. Fat loss is not only about your workout or your daily calories. A meaningful part of it happens overnight through hormones that are directly shaped by what and when you eat. Get your dinner right, and you are working with your body's fat burning hormones instead of against them. A nutritional assessment can show you exactly what is happening with your hormones, your blood sugar, and your sleep together. The link to book a consultation is in the description.